Today, Ukraine's defense forces continue conducting the offensive operation in the Melitopol, Berdyansk, and Bakhmut directions. The relevant statement was made by the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine on Facebook, and Ukrinform correspondent reports. In such sectors as Novodarivka-Pryiutne and Novodanylovka-Robotyne, the Ukrainian military have gained success. In the Bakhmut direction, Ukraine's defense forces conducted successful offensive. As reported, over the past 24 hours, missile and artillery forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine hit an enemy command post, 12 artillery units on firing positions, and several other important targets. Ukrainian air defenses shot down all 10 Russian Iskander missiles fired at the country overnight, according to Kyiv's military. Russian forces launched a series of attacks on the Ukrainian capital, starting at around 2:45 a.m. local time on Thursday, Ukraine's General Staff of the Armed Forces said in an operational update. A total of 10 Iskander missiles were fired from Russia's Bryansk region, which is to the northeast of Kyiv, the armed forces said. Ukraine's defenses intercepted 7 Iskander-M ballistic missiles and 3 Iskander-K cruise missiles, the Ukrainian Air Force said in a statement. Ukrainian-operated HIMARS has destroyed part of one of Russia's most advanced anti-aircraft missile systems. Russian troops are suffering significant personnel, ammunition, and military equipment losses. In the Bakhmut direction, Ukraine's defense forces conducted successful offensive actions near Orikovo-Vasilivka, Ivanivsk, Kurdyumivka, and Pitnik, and are now gaining foothold within the recaptured frontiers. Russian forces lost several helicopters and suffered more than a dozen fatalities during the day-long Wagner Group mercenary mutiny over the weekend, according to new tallies. Russian forces lost 1 Mi-8 transport helicopter and 3 Mi-8 MTPR-1 electronic warfare helicopters and 1 Il-22M communications aircraft, the Dutch open-source outlet Oryx reported. Moscow's military also lost a Mi-35M and a K-52 attack helicopter, per the Oryx count. However, since this only includes visually verified losses, the actual figure could be higher. A total of 13 Russian pilots were killed during the day-long mutiny, the influential Russian military blogger account, Rybar, wrote on Monday. The account, linked to a former Russian Defense Ministry press officer and known to be pro-Kremlin, said 3 Mi-8 MTPR helicopters had been taken out, as well as the entire crew of an Il-18 aircraft. In total, Russia has lost 20 Mi-8 transport helicopters and 5 Mi-8 MTPR-1 electronic warfare helicopters since the war began in February 2022, according to Oryx. Russia's invading troops are facing multiple threats along a 125-mile section of the front line. With Ukraine's forces making ground around Bakhmut, mercenary warlord Yevgeny Prigozhin was expected to go into exile in Belarus as part of a deal that pulled Russia and Vladimir Putin back from the brink of a potential catastrophe.